What we're selling today is a 24-foot TRAVALONG Gooseneck livestock trailer. Trailer appears to be in pretty good shape. They're putting a rubber floor, rubber belting down over the wooden floor. It's got two cut gates. The cut gates both have a slide gate in them. The floor feels very solid in this trailer. 24 foot, it's got a nose deck on it for storage up here. It's got one escape door on the side. 24 foot TRAVALONG, tandem axle, electric brakes. Trailer looks to be in pretty nice shape. It's going to be for sale. Auction time, absolute. Straight down the sides. Not all warped up and dented up. Doesn't appear to be very rusty on the bottoms. Looks pretty good. Looks like it's been washed out and kept up pretty good. Tires are, I'd call them 40% maybe. 30 or 40%, 235, 85, 16s with this 8-lug rims, heavy 8-lug rims. It's going to be for sale, absolute, on auction time. 24-foot TRAVALONG trailer sold in Nebraska. I don't know where it was made. Pretty good looking trailer.